إن الذين يرمون المحصنات الغافلات المؤمنات لعنوا في الدنيا والآخرة ولهم عذاب عظيم.
Those that accuse chaste, unwary, believing women have been cursed in the world and the hereafter, and a mighty chastisement awaits them.
يوم تشهد عليهم ألسنتهم وأيديهم وأرجلهم بما كانوا يعملون.
Let them not be heedless of the day when their own tongues, their hands, and their feet shall all bear witness against them as to what they've been doing.
يومئذ يوفيهم الله دينهم الحق ويعلمون أن الله هو الحق المبين.
On that day, Allah will justly requite them, and they will come to know that Allah, and He alone is the truth, the one who makes the truth manifest.
الخبيثات للخبيثين والخبيثون للخبيثات والطيبات للطيبين والطيبون للطيبات أولئك مبرؤون مما يقولون لهم مغفرة ورزق كريم.
Corrupt women are for corrupt men, and corrupt men for corrupt women. Good women are for good men, and good men for good women. They are innocent of the calumnies people utter. There shall be forgiveness for them, and a generous provision.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تدخلوا بيوتا غير بيوتكم حتى تستأنسوا وتسلموا على أهلها ذلكم خير لكم لعلكم تذكرون.
Believers, enter not houses other than your own houses until you have obtained the permission of the inmates of those houses and have greeted them with peace. This is better for you. It is expected that you will observe this.
فإن لم تجدوا فيها أحدا فلا تدخلوها حتى يؤذن لكم وإن قيل لكم ارجعوا فارجعوا هو أزكى لكم والله بما تعملون عليم.
Then if you find no one in them, do not enter until you've been given permission to enter. And if you are told to go back, then do go back. This is a purer way for you. Allah knows all what you do.
ليس عليكم جناح أن تدخلوا بيوتا غير مسكونة فيها متاع لكم الله يعلم ما تبدون وما تكتمون.
However, it is not blameworthy for you if you enter houses that are uninhabited, but wherein there is something of use to you. Allah is well aware of what you disclose and what you conceal.
قل للمؤمنين يغضوا من أبصارهم ويحفظوا فروجهم ذلك أزكى لهم إن الله خبير بما يصنعون.
O Prophet, enjoin believing men to cast down their looks and guard their private parts. That is purer for them. Surely Allah is well aware of all what they do.
وقل للمؤمنات يغضضن من أبصارهن ويحفظن فروجهن ولا يبدين زينتهن إلا ما ظهر منها وليضربن بخمرهن على جيوبهن ولا يبدين زينتهن إلا لبعولتهن أو آبائهن أو آباء بعولتهن أو أبنائهن أو أبناء بعولتهن أو إخوانهن أو بني إخوانهن أو بني أخواتهن أو نسائهن أو ما ملكت أيمانهن أو التابعين غير أولي الإربة من الرجال أو الطفل الذين لم يظهروا على عورات النساء ولا يضربن بأرجلهن ليعلم ما يخفين من زينتهن وتوبوا إلى الله جميعا أيها المؤمنون لعلكم تفلحون.
And enjoin believing women to cast down their looks and guard their private parts, and not reveal their adornment except that which is revealed of itself, and to draw their veils over their bosoms, and not to reveal their adornment save to their husbands, or their fathers, or the fathers of their husbands, or of their own sons, or the sons of their husbands, or their brothers, or the sons of their brothers, or the sons of their sisters, or the women with whom they associate, or those that are in their bondage, or the male attendants in their service, free of sexual interest, or boys that are yet unaware of illicit matters pertaining to women. Nor should they stamp their feet on the ground in such manner that their hidden ornament becomes revealed. Believers, turn together, all of you, to Allah in repentance, that you may attain true success.
وأنكحوا الأيام منكم والصالحين من عبادكم وإمائكم إن يكونوا فقراء يغنهم الله من فضله والله واسع عليم.
Marry those of you that are single, whether men or women, and those of your male and female slaves that are righteous. If they are poor, Allah will enrich them out of His bounty. Allah is immensely resourceful, all-knowing.
وليستعفف الذين لا يجدون نكاحا حتى يغنيهم الله من فضله والذين يبتغون الكتاب مما ملكت أيمانكم فكاتبوهم إن علمتم فيهم خيرا وآتوهم مما لله الذي آتاكم ولا تكرهوا فتياتكم على البغاء إن أردنا تحصنا لتبتغوا عرض الحياة الدنيا ومن يكرهن فإن الله من بعد إكراههن غفور رحيم.
Let those who cannot afford to marry keep themselves chaste until Allah enriches them out of His bounty. And write out a deed of manumission for such of your slaves that desire their freedom in lieu of payment, if you see any good in them, and give them out of the wealth that Allah has given you. And do not compel your slave girls to prostitution for the sake of the benefits of worldly life, the while they desire to remain chaste. And if anyone compels them to prostitution, Allah will be most pardoning, most merciful to them after their subjection to such compulsion.
وَلَقَدْ أَنزَلْنَا إِلَيْكُمْ آيَاتٍ مُبَيِّنَاتٍ وَمَثَلًا مِنَ الَّذِينَ خَلَوْا مِن قَبْلِكُمْ وَمَوْعِظَةً لِلْمُتَّقِينَ.
Verily, we have sent down for you revelations which clearly expound true guidance, and examples of those who passed away before you, and an admonition for those who fear Allah.
الله نور السماوات والأرض مثل نوره كمشكاة فيها مصباح المصباح في زجاجة الزجاجة كأنها كوكب دري يوقد من شجرة مباركة زيتونة لا شرقية ولا غربية يكاد زيتها يضيء ولو لم تمسسه نور على نور يهدي الله لنوره من يشاء ويضرب الله الأمثال للناس والله بكل شيء عليم.
Allah is the light of the heavens and the earth. His light in the universe may be likened to a niche wherein is a lamp, and the lamp is in the crystal which shines in star-like brilliance. It is lit from the oil of a blessed olive tree that is neither eastern nor western. Its oil well nigh glows forth of itself, though no fire touched it. Light upon light. Allah guides to His light whom He wills. Allah sets forth parables to make people understand. Allah knows everything.
في بيوت أذن الله أن ترفع ويذكر فيها اسمه يسبح له فيها بالغدو والآصال.
Those who are directed to this light are found in houses which Allah has allowed to be raised, and wherein His name is to be remembered. In them people glorify Him in the morning and in the evening.
رجال لا تلهيهم تجارة ولا بيع عن ذكر الله وإقام الصلاة وإيتاء الزكاة يخافون يوما تتقلب فيه القلوب والأبصار.
People whom neither commerce nor striving after profit diverts them from remembering Allah, from establishing prayer, and from paying zakah. People who dread the day on which all hearts will be overturned and eyes will be petrified.
ليجزيهم الله أحسن ما عملوا ويزيدهم من فضله والله يرزق من يشاء بغير حساب.
People who do all this so that Allah may reward them in accordance with the best that they did. Indeed, He will bestow upon them more out of His bounty, for Allah grants whomsoever He wills beyond all measure.
والذين كفروا أعمالهم كسراب بقيعة يحسبه الظمآن ماء حتى إذا جاءه لم يجده شيئا ووجد الله عنده فوفاه حسابه والله سريع الحساب.
But for those who deny the truth, their deeds are like a mirage in the desert, which the thirsty supposes to be water, until he comes to it, only to find that it was nothing. He found instead that Allah was with him, and he paid his account in full. Allah is swift in settling the account.
أو كظلمات في بحر اللجج يغشاه موج من فوقه موج من فوقه سحاب ظلمات بعضها فوق بعض إذا أخرج يده لم يكد يراها ومن لم يجعل الله له نورا فما له من نور.
Or its similitude is that of depths of darkness upon an abysmal sea covered by a billow, above which is a billow, above which is cloud, creating darkness piled one upon another. When he puts forth his hand, he would scarcely see it. He to whom Allah assigns no light, he will have no light.
ألم تر أن الله يسبح له من في السماوات والأرض والطير صافات كل قد علم صلاته وتسبيحه والله عليم بما يفعلون.
Do you not see that all that is in the heavens and the earth, even the birds that go about spreading their wings in flight, extol His glory? Each knows the way of its prayer and of its extolling Allah's glory. Allah is well aware of whatever they do.
وَلِلَّهِ مُلْكُ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ وَإِلَى اللَّهِ الْمَصِيرُ.
Allah's is the dominion of the heavens and the earth, and to Him are all destined to return.
ألم تر أن الله يزجي سحابا ثم يؤلف بينه ثم يجعله ركاما فترى الودق يخرج من خلاله وينزل من السماء من جبال فيها من برد فيصيب به من يشاء ويصرفه عن من يشاء يكاد سنا برقه يذهب بالأبصار.
Do you not see that it is Allah who gently drives the clouds, then He joins them together, and then turns them into a thick mass, and thereafter you see raindrops fall down from its midst. And then He sends down hail from the heaven, thanks to the mountains, and causes it to smite whom He wills, and averts it from whom He wills. The flash of His lightning almost takes away the sight.
يقلب الله الليل والنهار إن في ذلك لعبرة لأولي الأبصار.
It is Allah who alternates the night and the day. Surely there's a lesson in it for those that have sight.
والله خلق كل دابة من ماء فمنهم من يمشي على بطنه ومنهم من يمشي على رجلين ومنهم من يمشي على أربع يخلق الله ما يشاء إن الله على كل شيء قدير.
Allah has created every animal from water. Of them, some move on their bellies, some move on 2 legs, and some on 4. Allah creates whatever He wills. Surely, Allah has power over everything.
لقد أنزلنا آيات مبينات والله يهدي من يشاء إلى صراط مستقيم.
Verily, we have sent down revelations that clearly explain the truth. Allah guides whomsoever He wills to a straight way.
ويقولون آمنا بالله وبالرسول وأطعنا ثم يتولى فريق منهم من بعد ذلك وما أولئك بالمؤمنين.
They say, we believe in Allah and the Messenger, and we obey. But thereafter, a faction of them turns away from obedience. These indeed are not believers.
وَإِذَا دُعُوا إِلَى اللَّهِ وَرَسُولِهِ لِيَحْكُمَ بَيْنَهُمْ إِذَا فَرِيقٌ مِّنْهُمْ مُعْرِضُونَ.
When they are called to Allah and His Messenger, that He, that is the Messenger, may judge the disputes among them, a faction of them turns away.
وَإِن يَكُن لَّهُمُ الْحَقُّ يَأْتُوا إِلَيْهِ مُذْعِنِينَ.
However, if the right is on their side, they come to Him professing their submissiveness.
أَفِي قُلُوبِهِم مَّرَضٌ أَمِ ارْتَابُوا أَمْ يَخَافُونَ أَن يَحِيفَ اللَّهُ عَلَيْهِمْ وَرَسُولُهُ بَلْ أُولَئِكَ هُمُ الظَّالِمُونَ.
Do their hearts suffer from the disease of hypocrisy? Or have they fallen prey to doubts? Or do they fear that Allah and His Messenger will wrong them? Nay, the truth is that they themselves are wrongdoers.
إنما كان قول المؤمنين إذا دعوا إلى الله ورسوله ليحكم بينهم أن يقولوا سمعنا وأطعنا وأولئك هم المفلحون.
When those that believe are called to Allah and His Messenger, in order that He, that is the Messenger, may judge their disputes among them, nothing becomes them but to say, we hear and we obey. Such shall attain true success.
ومن يطع الله ورسوله ويخشى الله ويتقه فأولئك هم الفائزون.
Those who obey Allah and His Messenger and fear Him and avoid disobeying Him, such indeed shall triumph.
وأقسموا بالله جهد أيمانهم لئن أمرتهم ليخرجن قل لا تقسموا طاعة معروفة إن الله خبير بما تعملون.
The hypocrites solemnly swear by Allah, if you order us, we shall surely go forth and fight in the cause of Allah. Tell them, do not swear. The state of your obedience is known. Allah is well aware of all that you do.
قل أطيعوا الله وأطيعوا الرسول فإن تولوا فإنما عليه ما حمل وعليكم ما حملتم وإن تطيعوه تهتدوا وما على الرسول إلا البلاغ المبين.
Say, obey Allah and obey the Messenger. But if you turn away, then know well that the Messenger is responsible for what he has been charged with, and you are responsible for what you have been charged with. But if you obey him, you will be guided to the right way. The Messenger has no other responsibility but to clearly convey the command.
وعد الله الذين آمنوا منكم وعملوا الصالحات ليستخلفنهم في الأرض كما استخلف الذين من قبلهم وليمكنن لهم دينهم الذي ارتضى لهم وليبدلنهم من بعد بعد خوفهم أمنا يعبدونني لا يشركون بي شيئا ومن كفر بعد ذلك فأولئك هم الفاسقون.
Allah has promised those of you who believe and do righteous deeds that He will surely bestow power on them in the land, even as He bestowed power on those that preceded them, and that He will firmly establish their religion which He has been pleased to choose for them, and He will replace with security the state of fear that they are in. Let them serve me and associate none with me in my divinity. Whoso thereafter engages in unbelief, such indeed are the ungodly.
وأقيموا الصلاة وآتوا الزكاة وأطيعوا الرسول لعلكم ترحمون.
Establish prayer and pay zakah and obey the messenger so that mercy may be shown to you.
لا تحسبن الذين كفروا معجزين في الأرض ومأواهم النار ولبئس المصير.
Do not even imagine that those who disbelieve can render Allah powerless in the land. Their abode is the fire. What an evil abode.
أيها الذين آمنوا ليستأذنكم الذين ملكت أيمانكم والذين لم يبلغوا الحلم منكم 3 مرات من قبل صلاة الفجر وحين توعون ثيابكم من الظهيرة ومن بعد صلاة العشاء 3 عورات لكم ليس عليكم ولا عليهم جناح بعدهن طوافون عليكم بعضكم على بعض كذلك يبين الله لكم الآيات والله عليم حكيم.
Believers, at 3 times let those whom your right hands possess and those of your children who have not yet reached puberty ask leave of you before entering your quarters, before the morning prayer, and when you take off your clothes at noon, and after the night prayer. These are the 3 times of privacy for you. If they come to you at other times, then there is no sin for them nor for you, for you have to visit one another frequently. Thus does Allah clearly explain His directives to you. Allah is all-knowing, all-wise.
وَإِذَا بَلَغَ الْأَطْفَالُ مِنْكُمُ الْحُلُمَ فَلْيَسْتَأْذِنُوا كَمَا اسْتَأْذَنَ الَّذِينَ مِنْ قَبْلِهِمْ كَذَلِكَ يُبَيِّنُ اللَّهُ لَكُمْ آيَاتِهِ وَاللَّهُ عَلِيمٌ حَكِيمٌ.
And when your children attain puberty, let them ask leave to come to you like their elders used to ask leave. Thus does Allah clearly explain to you His signs. He is all-knowing, all-wise.
والقواعد من النساء اللاتي لا يرجون نكاحا فليس عليهن جناح أن يضعن ثيابهن غير متبرجات بزينة وأن يستعففن خير لهن والله سميع عليم.
The women who are past their youth and can no longer bear children and do not look forward to marriage will incur no sin if they cast off their outer garments without displaying their adornment. But if they remain modest, that is still better for them. Allah is all-hearing, all-knowing.
ليس على الأعمى حرج ولا على الأعرج حرج ولا على المريض حرج ولا على أنفسكم أو تأكلوا من بيوتكم أو بيوت آبائكم أو بيوت أمهاتكم أو بيوت إخوانكم أو بيوت أخواتكم أو بيوت أعمامكم أو بيوت عماتكم أو بيوت أخوالكم أو بيوت خالاتكم أو ما ملكتم مفاتحه أو صديقكم. ليس عليكم جناح أن تأكلوا جميعا أو أشتاتا، فإذا دخلتم بيوتا فسلموا على أنفسكم تحية من عند الله مباركة طيبة، كذلك يبين الله لكم الآيات لعلكم تعقلون.
There's no blame on the blind, nor any blame on the lame, nor any blame on the sick, nor on yourselves that you eat in your own houses, or your father's houses, or your mother's houses, or your brother's houses, or the houses of your sisters, or the houses of your father's brothers, or the houses of your father's sisters, or in the houses of your mother's brothers, or in the houses of your mother's sisters, or in the houses whose keys you possess, or the house of a friend. There's no blame if you eat together or separately. But when you enter such houses, greet each other with a salutation appointed by Allah, a salutation that is blessed and good. Thus does Allah expound His signs to you in order that you will act with understanding.
إنما المؤمنون الذين آمنوا بالله ورسوله وإذا كانوا معه على أمر جامع لم يذهبوا حتى يستأذنوه. إن الذين يستأذنونك أولئك الذين يؤمنون بالله ورسوله، فإذا استأذنوك لبعض شأنهم فإذا لمن شئت منهم واستغفر لهم الله إن الله غفور رحيم.
The true believers are only those who sincerely believe in Allah and in His Messenger, and who, whenever they are with Him on some common errand, they do not go away until they have asked leave of Him. Verily, those who ask leave of you, it is they who truly believe in Allah and His Messenger. So if they ask your leave in connection with some of their affairs, give leave to those whom you will, and ask Allah for forgiveness on their behalf. Surely Allah is much forgiving, ever merciful.
لا تجعلوا دعاء الرسول بينكم كدعاء بعضكم بعضا قد يعلم الله الذين يتسللون منكم لواذا فليحذر الذين يخالفون عن أمره أن تصيبهم فتنة أو يصيبهم عذاب أليم.
Muslims, do not make the calling of the Messenger among you as you're calling one another. Allah knows well those of you who surreptitiously steal away, taking shelter behind one another. Let those who go against the order of the Messenger beware lest a trial or severe punishment afflict them.
ألا إن لله ما في السماوات والأرض قد يعلم ما أنتم عليه ويوم يرجعون إليه فينبئهم بما عملوا والله بكل شيء عليم.
Lo, whatsoever is in the heavens and the earth belongs to Allah. He is well aware of your ways, and the day when they will be returned to Him, He will tell them all what they did. Allah knows everything.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
تبارك الذي نزل الفرقان على عبده ليكون للعالمين نذيرا.
Most blessed is he who sent down this criterion on his servant to be a warner to all mankind.
الذي له ملك السماوات والأرض ولم يتخذ ولدا ولم يكن له شريك في الملك وخلق كل شيء فقدره تقديرا.
He to whom belongs the kingdom of the heavens and the earth, who has taken to himself no son, nor has he taken any partner in his kingdom, who created everything and then determined its destiny.
واتخذوا من دونه آلهة لا يخلقون شيئا وهم يخلقون ولا يملكون لأنفسهم ضرا ولا نفعا ولا يملكون موتا ولا حياة ولا نشورا.
Yet people have taken instead of him other deities, those that create nothing, but are themselves created, who do not have the power to hurt or benefit even themselves, who have no power over death, nor over life, nor over the resurrection of the dead.
وقال الذين كفروا إن هذا إلا إفك افتراه وأعانه عليه قوم آخرون فقد جاءوا ظلما وزورا.
Those who disbelieve in the message of the Prophet say, this criterion is nothing but a lie which he has forged with the help of others. Such have indeed resorted to a grievous wrong and sheer falsehood.
وقالوا أساطير الأولين اكتتبها فهي تملى عليه بكرة وأصيلا.
They say, these are merely fairy tales of the ancients which he has got inscribed, and they are then recited to him morning and evening.
قل أنزله الذي يعلم السر في السماوات والأرض إنه كان غفورا رحيما.
Say to them, O Muhammad, it is He who knows the secrets of the heavens and the earth, who has sent down this book. Indeed, He is most forgiving, most compassionate.
وقالوا ما لهذا الرسول يأكل الطعام ويمشي في الأسواق لولا أنزل إليه ملك فيكون معه نذيرا.
They say, what sort of a messenger is this? He eats food and walks about in the markets. Why was an angel not sent down to him so that he may remain with the messenger and warn those that do not believe in him?
أو يلقى إليه كنز أو تكون له جنة يأكل منها وقال الظالمون إن تتبعون إلا رجلا مسحورا.
Why was a treasure not bestowed upon him, or a garden whereof he might obtain his sustenance? The evildoers say, you are simply following a bewitched man.
انظر كيف ضربوا لك الأمثال فضلوا فلا يستطيعون سبيلا.
See what specious arguments they put forth before you. They are so strayed that they will not find their way to anything sound.
تبارك الذي إن شاء جعل لك خيرا من ذلك جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار ويجعل لك قصورا.
Most blessed is he who, if he wills, can grant you even better than what they propose. Gardens beneath which rivers flow and stately mansions.
بل كذبوا بالساعة وأعتدنا لمن كذب بالساعة سعيرا.
Nay, the truth is that it is the hour to which they give the lie. We have kept a blazing fire ready for him who denies the hour.
إذا رأتهم من مكان بعيد سمعوا لها تغيظا وزفيرا.
When it sees them from a place afar, they will hear its raging and roaring.
وإذا ألقوا منها مكانا ضيقا مقرنين دعوا هنالك ثبورا.
And when they are flung, chained together into a narrow place in it, they will fervently call there for annihilation.
لا تدعوا اليوم ثبورا واحدا وادعوا ثبورا كثيرا.
They will then be told, do not call for a single annihilation, but for many an annihilation.
قل أذلك خير أم جنة الخلد التي وعد المتقون كانت لهم جزاء ومصيرا.
Ask them, is this state better, or the garden of eternity which the God-fearing have been promised? It shall be their recompense and the end point of their journey.
لهم فيها ما يشاءون خالدين كان على ربك وعدا مسئولا.
The garden wherein whatever they desire will be fulfilled. In it they shall abide forever. This is a promise whose fulfillment your Lord has made incumbent on himself.
ويوم يحشرهم وما يعبدون من دون الله فيقول أأنتم أضللتم عبادي هؤلاء أم هم ضلوا السبيل.
On the day when he will muster together all the unbelievers as well as the deities that they worship beside Allah, and he will ask them, was it you who caused these servants of mine to stray away, or did they themselves stray away from the right path?
قالوا سبحانك ما كان ينبغي لنا أن نتخذ من دونك من أولياء ولكن متعتهم وآباءهم حتى نسوا الذكر وكانوا قوما بورا.
They will say, glory be to you, it did not behove us to take any other than you as our guardians. But you lavished the pleasures of life upon them and their forefathers until they forgot the admonition and became doomed to destruction.
فقد كذبوكم بما تقولون فما تستطيعون صرفا ولا نصرا ومن يظلم منكم نذقه عذابا كبيرا.
Thus will those deities give the lie to all what you now say, and you will not be able to avert your doom, nor obtain any succor. We shall cause whoever of you commits wrong to taste an enormous chastisement.
وما أرسلنا قبلك من المرسلين إلا إنهم ليأكلون الطعام ويمشون في الأسواق وجعلنا بعضكم لبعض فتنة أتصبرون وكان ربك بصيرا.
O Muhammad, we never sent any messengers before you, but they ate food and walked about in the markets. We made some of you a means to test each by the other, to see whether you remain patient. Your Lord is all-seeing.